Hello every single one of you and welcome in this video. In this video we are going to talk about a new trading bot that Bybit has been launching, and recently I've made already a video about how to create trading bots over on Bybit. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to have a look at that video as it is very interesting and it is based on artificial intelligence, and I will show you some results of my trading bot in today's video as well. But right now Bybit just launched a new trading strategy for a automated trading bot, which is the Futures Martingale strategy. And you might be already familiar with the Martingale strategy from the casino, which is like that they basically doubling down on the bets whenever you are losing. So let's say you are playing roulette, right? You're putting like 10 euro on black and it becomes red, so you lost that one, and then you're going to double your bet. You're going to put 20 euro on black. When you lose that one, you're going to put 40 euro on black, and the idea is that the chance is very low to have such a losing streak. And for trading, that's exactly the same. So whenever you open a trade and the trade goes against you, after a certain period, the bot will put in a new trade, but doubling down on the bet, doubling down on the order size, in the hope that sooner or later the price will reverse and then eventually you will be in profit. I don't really have that much experience with this particular trading strategy, but I'm going to show you guys in today's video how to set up this bot, and I'm going to set up my own Futures Martingale trading bot over on Bybit. And guys, if you don't have a Bybit account yet, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below, as the affiliate link will give you some extra benefits like a deposit bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars and access to a private Telegram channel which is called Will Alerts, where you can receive extra information on the markets. And after you created an account over on Bybit, you click over on tools, you go to trading bot, and there you can already see the Futures Martingale in the section. But guys, before we are going to look at the Futures Martingale trading strategy, we are going to have a look at the bots that are running right now. And these are AI grid bots, and I've explained exactly how I set up these bots in a different video. Like I said in the beginning, if you are interested in that, make sure to watch that. But we got a grid bot over on Ethereum right here, which is roughly 20 cents in the profit, nothing special, already running for 11 days. So I have to be honest guys, this one was in the loss for the past couple of days as well. Right now it's slightly in profit. I'm not that impressed with this trading bot so far, but let's see what the end of the month is going to bring, because this is of course a long-term play. It's not something you want to do for 1 or 2 days and then just quit, right? We want to do this a little bit longer. So the Bitcoin trading bot, we already have a little bit longer open, like 16 days, and that one is in profit, roughly $50. And I think that's actually quite nice with an initial investment of 1,000. That is quite nice. Like in a 2-week time, you have a 5% profit with a very low risk is not a bad investment. And especially not because it's passive. So it will not cost me any time, right? This is just completely automatic. The main difference between a futures grid trading bot and the Futures Martingale trading bot is the following. So a grid bot will set up, like based on AI, it will choose certain levels, and whenever the price is reaching those levels, it will automatically long or short at support and resistance levels. And the Futures Martingale is actually not doing long and short at the same time, so you have to choose whether you want to long or short, and then it's all the time doubling down. So when you open a long and it goes up, it will take profit. But when you open a long and it goes down, so you are in a loss, it will open a new long after some time, but doubling down on the order size. And when it goes lower, it will open a new long, doubling down on the order size, in the hope that it sooner or later will reverse, and once it reverses, you will have profits. So I'm curious guys if this one is also going to be so successful as a futures grid bot, because here we can already see that the highest APR at the futures grid is higher than the Futures Martingale, but it's just very exciting guys. So guys, right here we can create a Futures Martingale trading strategy. Here you can select whether you want to have that trading strategy based on AI or you want to set it manually. Well, in our case we are going to use AI. Here we can select the trading pair. Bitcoin is going to be in our situation. And then you can check whether you want to long Bitcoin or to short Bitcoin. Then guys, the technicals. And here we can see the price decrease is 2%, which basically means that if Bitcoin's price is dropping 2%, this strategy is opening a long position. When the Bitcoin price drops another 2%, it will multiply that position by a magnitude of 1.2. And yeah, max additions per round, so the max amount of positions we are going to open per time is going to be 3, and the profit target per round is 3.8%. So whenever the price reverses and go into the direction of we actually want, in this case long, so the price goes up, we are going to take profits at 3.8%. We are using a leverage of 3, so there's a very low leverage, and the 14-day backtest return on investment is 8.4% on the last 2 weeks basically, so that is not that bad. So right here we are just going to dump all the remainder of our funds in our funding account right here into this strategy. Of course, you also have some advanced settings right here where you can set an entry price where you basically want to enter the Bitcoin price, but I would say let the artificial intelligence in this strategy handle this. But you can set a stop loss if you want, if you really want to minimize the losses, right? If you don't want to lose too much, you can just set the stop loss maybe at 10%, 20%, whatever you're willing to lose. So at least you are protected if the price continues to drop, right? In our case, we are not going to do it. We are just going to leave it as it is. So guys, then we click on create now. Then you can see the details of the strategy once more, the pair, how much leverage we are using, and you can see also that here we enabled loop, which means that after one round, if we took profits, it will start over again. So it's a continuous process. Then we click right here on confirm. And now we can see that it is being created successfully. And here you can see our Futures Martingale trading bot right now is active. The amazing thing with Bybit, guys, is that Bybit offers a lot of transparency when it comes to these trading bots. Same with the grid bots. Here we can basically see everything that's happening. We can see the live profit and loss. We can look at the positions. We can see even where the take profits are right now. We can still set a stop loss after this strategy is created. And if you want, you can of course invest more in the strategy if it's going well for you. If you want to close this strategy, you just click right here on terminate, you click on confirm, and we actually right now are out of this strategy. And as you can see in our active trading strategies, we only have the futures grid bots, which in my opinion I want to have on right now. This is a long-term play. I want to see how this artificial intelligence is going to do over the course of 1 month and longer. And I basically want to check if this is really profitable. Maybe in the future we are going to run the Futures Martingale bot for a longer period of time, but it might come in handy to analyze the Bitcoin price as well. So guys, when you are using the Futures Martingale strategy, I think it's not 100% passive, because I think it is also good to have a little bit some insights in what is happening with the Bitcoin price. And if you, for example, expect we can have a massive liquidation event or the price can drop significantly, you don't want to be in a long strategy with the Futures Martingale. So guys, I hope it is clear to you right now which trading bots Bybit is offering and what specifically a Futures Martingale trading bot does. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below. I'm happy to answer them as soon as possible. If you need an account over on Bybit because you want to try these strategies, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below and enjoy these extra benefits that you get with signing up with that specific affiliate link. If you want to know more about the bots that I've already been setting up right now, the Futures Grid trading bots, make sure to check my other video that I've been creating where I explain exactly from start to finish how to set up these bots and how these bots basically works. If you learned anything in this specific video, make sure to drop a thumbs up, guys. That is very much appreciated. And if you want to stay connected with me during this bull market, looking at automated trading strategies and many more, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.